Alright, what is up, my brothers? Today is going to be July 2nd. I'm going to do a trade recap. How I ended up making 5,200, and then I got winning days on 4 of my other accounts. So, had an almost 6K day today. I've been going crazy. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys the execution. So there's this one I just took. This. Just took this shit to this volume imbalance, but I'll explain that in a second. Also, I'm like really fucking sick still, so that. But here's this one as well. This is market open rejection block. But yeah, I ended up making 5,300 on this account, so I saved this shit. I had daily lost them on it yesterday. But yeah, exciting stuff. This one. This one's at 2,300, got the winning day there. This one's at 5,700, got the winning day there. I have one more combine that needs $1,000. I should pass that either tonight or tomorrow. I know it's a bank holiday, but I'm still going to trade that shit. And then this one is, you guys know that I full port my evals, but let's just get straight into this shit. So, first trade of the day, what was I coming into the market looking at? I'm looking at a bullish bias. Obviously, it's kind of hard to tell. Let me look at the hourly. But this is what I was looking at market open, right? We created all this low resistance liquidity on the way down. God, I'm so fucking sick, dude. I sound like shit. But yeah, we sweep out all these lows, come into this daily gap, 4-hour gap, all that nuisance, equilibrium of this range. But yeah, market opens, and what do? Let me just market open. Alright, this is market open. Do this. Okay, so this is the market open candle. Wick a bunch, sweep out like these no wick candles, and we end up making a rejection block. So I know that 930 wicks are often like a good draw on liquidity, but this ends up making a rejection block on the 2-minute, the 3-minute, all that jazz. We come up, don't really sweep any liquidity out of the liquidity pool. The main one I wanted to see was this little, like this big wick, because that was a 15-minute, so that's just where I wanted to TP. Obviously, we have data highs up here from NFP, but it was kind of high. And ES was already like basically at those highs, so yeah. But basically, you have this rejection block on all the time frames. Boom. And we end up hitting CE of it. You can write out your fib. Hit up CE, reject 0.79, reject 0.705. Boom, perfect. 30-second for the entry. Actually, it was 15-second for the entry. But back over here, 15-second. We get a 15-second CISD here. End up getting my entry on this pullback, and then boom, perfect. Just ran straight to TP. Pretty much zero drawdown there. That was a beautiful trade. Beautiful setup. Exactly what I wanted to see at market open. And then, as you can see, we ended up selling off from these highs. So what I was looking at was, I've had this level on my chart forever. Basically, it's a 4-hour rejection block. You can see it marked out right here. It rejected all of this. It's basically the hourly rejection block. Like, it swept out all this liquidity. Boom. It's the 10 a.m. from Monday. And what I wanted to see was, so we left so much resting liquidity here. We have like this 15-minute gap, 30-minute gap, all that jazz. But never got an entry here. We had relative equal highs. I was looking for an entry somewhere like in here, but we just never like got what I wanted to see. And we ended up actually forming a volume imbalance, and when we get volume imbalances, I just absolutely love taking trades to them. You can see we have this volume imbalance right here. We have this volume imbalance right here, which is the one that I ended up targeting. And my entry was based off a rejection block. This SMT at these lows. You can see SMT at those lows. 30-second. Boom, perfect. We end up getting the CRT on the 5-minute, 15-minute, all that shit, and then we just kind of deliver straight up to that volume imbalance. But yeah, 5,300 day on this account. I'm really happy about it because I saved it. Yeah, I made like, I think I made $1,000 last night on it, so I ended up making like 4,200 during today's session. So really, really happy with my performances lately. Have not been live trading, I know, but I feel like I'm way more locked in. I don't feel like pressure to take a setup because, like, when I'm on live, it's like I feel like I need to take a setup or like sit on and look at the charts. But yeah, took my setups. After I took the first setup, I kind of got off for a bit. We and did some shit. Hopped back on, and I was playing Rocket League, and then I saw that we hit the rejection block, and I was like, oh shit, get me in this bitch, and I just took that shit real quick. Made another like 1,200 on that. So yeah, beautiful day. There was a lot of good setups. Price action was really clean, really obvious longs that open, and then dumps. ES was moving really good today. And we're getting the perfect market maker sell model down to these lows, so may look for an opportunity later, but we'll see. But yeah, if you won today, good shit. If you lost today, hopefully you follow your rules. If you got break even today, I don't know what to tell you. I didn't get break even, but I mean, I guess it depends on your model, but you shouldn't have got break even on any trade today, unless I guess if you took like this IFBG from market open, you would have got break even here. You shouldn't even have got you shouldn't even have got break even. I guess like this would have been your break even point if you entered off of this closure. It's like dog shit though. Yeah, the 3-minute. If you enter a 3-minute, it would be this. No, you wouldn't even have got break even. Yeah, if you got break even, you're a fucking donut. Unless you were targeting data highs, then you would have got break even. But you should have known to scale. And this was 10 a.m. We ended up not retesting it, so I was never interested in anything there. But yeah, this is running to my full target now, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, good day. I hope you guys had a good one, and catch you guys for bank holiday market recap tomorrow.